Hi, today we'll be learning Igbo using some selected Igbo names. Can you bido? Number one I have on my list is Chinedu. Chinedu. Now Chinedu, we have Chi, which you already should know by now is God. Chukwu. Chineke. God, that's the shortened form of God. Chinedu. Now what we now have there is Nedu. Nedu, that is a present continuous tense. Nedu, which means is leading. God is leading. So the full form of that name is Chinedu. By now you should know that most Igbo names are shortened. Chinedu, Chinedu, God is leading me. Nedu, Nedu is leading. Dum is lead me. Dum, lead me. So that's why we have the word Onyendum. 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 If you are conversant with Psalm 23 in the Igbo language, you say, Jehovah bụ onye na-edum dịka atụrụ. Jehovah bụ onye na-edum dịka atụrụ. Meaning Jehovah bụ God is onye na-edum, the person that leads me. Dịka atụrụ, like a sheep. Like a sheep. Atụrụ is sheep. You know, in Igbo language we have we don't have a specific word for shepherd, because that is the Lord is my shepherd. So it was not translated as someone that leads me like a sheep. That's a shepherd. Jehovah bụ onye na-edum. God is the person that leads me like a sheep. Na-edum. So if someone is leading you, the person is the person you say that person na-edu gị. Chi na-edum. God is leading me. So I hope that's clear. So we enter to number 2, which is Onyemaechi. Onyemaechi means who knows tomorrow. Onye there stands for who. Please take note that that word Onye in some places is who and in some places is person, but there is different in tonality. Onye and Onye are two different things. Onye and Onye. Onye, who. Onye, who. Who. Who, onye, who, onye, person of, onye Hausa person, onye Igbo person, onye Yoruba person. Onyemaechi, who knows, ma is no, ma is no, echi is tomorrow. Onyemaechi, who knows tomorrow. Onyemaechi, who knows tomorrow. The third is Chibuike, which is Chibuikem. Chibu, you already know God is. Ike is strength, power. So Ikem, my strength. God is my strength. Chibuikem, God is my strength. The next one is Nduka. Now this is, I think this is the full part of this name should be Ndukako. Ndukako. So Nduka, Ndu, life. Ndu, life. When we say something dindo or dindo, when you hear someone an Igbo person say or dindo, it means it is alive. It is alive. As well dindo, this fish is alive. Azondo, fresh fish. That's fresh fish that is not frozen. So those tilapia fishes that they sell in a bowl at the market, in Igbo we call it azondo, live fish. Live fish. That's your fresh fish. Azu, ndo. So ndo means life. Nduka. Ka in this sense here is greater. You have to take note that the word ka could mean a lot of things in Igbo. So it's not every time you see ka that it means greater. Nduka means life is greater. Then I said that I guess the full meaning should be Nduka ako. Ako means wealth. Nduka ako. Life is greater than wealth. Life is greater than wealth. Now the last one is my name, which is Ozioma. Ozi here means news, message, errand. It can mean all these three things depending. Ozi could be news, message. Well, news, message, I guess are similar. Then it could also mean errand. Oma, good. So my name means good news. Good news. Good news of our Lord Jesus Christ. Good news. Then Ozi as an errand, like Oziri Mozi. Oziri Mozi. he sent me a message. Ozirimozi. And it can also mean he sent me on an errand. Ozirimozi. Ozirimozi. He sent me on an errand. So the context can tell you what it means. If it's someone sent a message to me, or if it's that I was sent on an errand. So if someone say Ojerozi, Ogarozi, which means he's running an errand. He has gone to run an errand. So Ozi could mean errand, it could mean news, and which is similar to the word message in English. So tell me the other words or other Igbo names you would love to know their meaning, so that I will make a part 2 of this video for next week. And if you find this very, very educative, please like and share. Our Igbo group class and one-on-one class is open. Kindly send a DM for details.